If you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism is pointless because it puts a person on the defensive and causes them to try to justify themselves. Criticism is dangerous because it injures a person's precious pride, diminishes their sense of importance, and arouses resentment. When people are rewarded for good behavior rather than punished for bad behavior, they learn faster and retain knowledge more effectively. By criticizing, we rarely achieve long-term change and frequently create resentment. People usually respond better to positive reinforcement rather than punishment for wrongdoing. Anyone has the right to criticize, condemn, and complain. To be understanding and forgiving, however, requires character and self-control. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 1, Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. Principle 1. Subscribe, like, follow for more.